knots sort of. Let me show you the steps took to get here. Breathe out. Deep breath. Breathe out. Let go.
Oof.
Beautiful. Now, deep breath. Breathe out. Let it fall. Deep breath. Breathe out. Let it fall.
Ugh.
Not so bad.
Definitely needed that.
Forget these kind of back ones. I'll just sit you up, and I want to stretch like your shoulder.
Okay.
So if this is tight, that means I'm sure the shoulders are nice and tight too. All these knots sort of in here. So if it's too much, you let me know, okay?
Okay.
I'm just a fan of using the CBD now because I feel like it relaxes the muscle a little bit.
It really does. I couldn't sleep last night, so I put some.
Oh.